Many lawyers and law firms are advertising right now. Cantor Law is different than all of them. I'm going to explain some things about the law today that you probably don't know, some things that are grossly unfair, and some ways that we can help you. Come on in to Cantor Law and check it out. Come on in. So I'm going to talk to you about a few things that are happening now in Missouri that are grossly unfair. And the first you probably know about, I've spoken before about the Missouri Workers' Compensation Conspiracy. And that's the combination of large government and large insurers conspiring to not pay injured workers after an accident. But it's even worse than that. We have a case in the office right now where a legal entity is claiming to be tribal, that's Native American, and therefore they believe they're a sovereign nation and not subject to the laws of the state of Missouri workers' compensation. So our poor client, who's had multiple surgeries, is being told that he can have $4,000 because the entity is tribal. There was no indication that this entity had any tribal elements. There was no Native American ownership, there was no waiver, no signature, no discussion at all, or any indication that these benefits might not be available under the state of Missouri's laws. It's absolutely ludicrous. That means that any entity could team up with any Native American and claim that they're tribally owned and not be subject to the laws of the state of Missouri. Sounds outrageous? I think it is. I think the whole workers' compensation conspiracy is unfair. There's lots of other elements in the law that are unfair in Missouri. Car collision cases, the defendant is only required to have $25,000 of insurance. We have cases where people are paralyzed. $25,000, these insurance companies are making money hand over fist, and then someone gets injured and they have this pittance of a payment. It seems unfair, and that makes that injured person a burden to the state of Missouri. Now everyone has to pay because of a negligent truck driver, automobile driver that didn't have enough insurance, and now all of a sudden we're stuck with that bill. So at Cantor Law, we're local, we're here, we're fighting hard for our people. We'll never sell you out, we'll never work for the insurance companies, and we're here to help you win. 314-628-9999. Thanks for watching.